In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can toast bread with this toaster oven. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that you have your toaster open, your toaster door open. And now, once you have that toaster door oven open, what you want to do is take this tray out. Because you need to take this tray out before you toast your bread, because the bread will only get toasted on one side, like this. This bread will only get toasted on this side, not the back side, because there's a coil on top and on bottom, right there. I don't know if you can see, the coil right there is on the bottom, and there's one on the top. Now, what you want to do is take this tray out, like so. And what you want to do is put in your bread you want to toast. Like so. I'm going to put that. And now, what you want to do, once you put your toast or your bread in your oven, you want to close the door. And now, I'm going to show you what these buttons do. Don't pay attention to these two knobs. The one you want to pay attention to is this one. The one at the bottom. I'll leave a link in the description to what these knobs do. Now, what you want to do is, you see these three dots, these three little pictures right there? I don't recommend you put it on this one, cause if you're toasting bread, cause you can burn your bread with this one. With this one right there. I recommend you put your bread on this one. The one at the top up from the bottom. This one, the one that looks like a bread, not the one that looks like a circle. Put it to the one that looks like a bread, right there. Now I'm going to put it to this one right there. And you should see right there that the toaster is turning on. And I will be back when the toaster is done. You should see right there, the toaster will be on, like so. And there, sometimes you see that the bread is burning right there. So what you see right there, the toaster beeped with that little ding. That means that the toaster got your bread toasted. Don't worry about the toast. If you see that it looks burnt, don't worry about it. Now, what you want to do is be careful, cause this toast can be hot, and the components, like the grill, can be hot. So be careful when taking it out. Make sure you have a plate. But my plate will be this little toaster tray. Now, what you want to do is take your toast out with caution, because you can burn yourself. You see right there? My toast got toasted. Right there. What you will see is that your toast is burning. Like it's at the point where you want it, but the toaster isn't done. Like so. I'm going to show you what I mean by that. Like so. For example, you see the toaster? Just wait for it to warm up again. You see right there, sometimes you think that you say that your toast is done, like right now, for example, the toast is done right there, and you're saying that the toaster isn't done. That the toaster isn't done because the beep hasn't gone off, like so. What you want to do is you can either, this knob right here, you can twist it to where it beeps, like so. you will hear it. You will hear the noise go super loud, like so. Like that. Or what you want, or if your toast ain't done, you can do this method. Or what you can do is either unplug the power cord. The power cord to turn off the toaster. So that's it for this video, guys, on how to toast bread or anything in your toaster. Please like and subscribe for more how-to videos like these ones. Bye.